Alright, so I just cut the box open. This is our first raffle win. A JSA right on the top. Oh, sorry. Trying to hold it. OJ Simpson, Bills Speed Rep, Hall of Fame with the JSA. Man, this is a lot nicer helmet than I thought. OJ Simpson Hall of Fame 85. Got the Bills on the front. Silver face mask. Bills on the back. Your JSA sticker. This is a really nice speed replica helmet of the Bills. I'm kind of surprised. I thought it was going to be a little bit different. In the picture it looked kind of like an off-white, but once you get it in real life, man, it's really nice. What's up, Ramsey? You okay? You okay, buddy? I'm fixing to take you out, okay? But speed replica helmet, you're gonna have that in there with little bitty pads. Like I said, it's hard to see, but this has like little specks in the helmet. It's really nice though. Said the stickers are really good. Everything's laid down well. Man, I'm glad I won this thing. I kind of like it. This is pretty neat. Thank you guys for watching. This is the OJ Simpson Hall of Fame 85 speed replica helmet. Buffalo Bills.